Peek-a-boo. 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 Get it. Get it. Peek-a-boo. 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 He's like, yeah. Hurry up. Shut up. Peek-a-boo. Look at his pants, it's gross. Peek. 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 Oh, wow. He stripped. Gross. You can see my bra and stuff in the back. Peek. Peek. Gavin. 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 No more? I got it on video. He's been doing that for a while. Long time.
You didn't even get it.
I never got it on video until now. Stripper. What's that stain, Jake? Gross! And he's lying on it. I think it's...
That's too big to be period.
That's gross. I don't use that blanket, Jake. Gavin!
Is this diaper folded?
I don't know. Peek? Peek? Aboo. Peek? Aboo.